Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello, Jose, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I know you were super busy when I talked to you today. Sorry for the interruption. Appreciate you taking the time. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase the exposure, therefore increasing your value. You got content, one. Backlinks is two, citations is three. Content. Many companies build beautiful websites but fall short when it comes to content and SEO, search engine optimization, keywords. Now, understand, every time you type something into Google, you're actually typing keywords in that they use to look for what you're asking from a website that best fits your search of the words that you just typed, right? So Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words that get typed in the search. And then Google categorizes them or these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. And this is what the focal point is for you today is keywords. I'll get to that in just a minute. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. Citations. Citations or referring domains. That is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, it is highly recommended you build one. It directly connects your business to your citations and helps you rank in the map. Helps you rank in the map right here. It's extremely important to be seen on the map. I mean, how many times have you opened your phone and you Google near me, food near me, gas station near me, and boom, it comes in the maps. And everything here is directly related to the citations, name, address, phone number, which is Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure. Now, this is what I was looking for, auto repair Olathe, if I say that right, Olathe, Kansas. And first you have the maps right here, and then everything underneath that is where the ranking structure starts to come into play. So you're looking for competitors and competitors and where they rank and not ad sites, not Yelp. Let's see, what do we got? Not AAA, it's national, not Christian Brothers, no. So we have L&D Auto. So everything here is ranked organically. So once I find them, I can put them into the tools that I have. So for example, I did auto repair, but I didn't find you. L&D is your site. But you're not listed here. But he is. So let's take a look at his site. All right. Here's where the comparisons start to get good. So I take you and I put you into this tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs. It gives me your backlinks, your referring domains, and keywords, content, organic traffic keywords, content. 1.54. What does he have? 1.17. 57 referring domains. You got 100 referring domains. But where he's got you is the keyword. Got 1,000 keywords, 362 in the traffic. This is estimated monthly organic traffic from search. Let's see what he has. This is where it gets. This is how he's outranking with the content and the keywords that are on his website. Auto repair, 350 times a month that gets searched. Olay auto repair, Kansas, Olay auto repair Kansas, 100 times. Auto repair, 150 times. Oil change, Kansas, 150 times. So the keyword factor, what we got here? Michelin. Now, I don't know if you do tires. It's searched 600 times a month. This is just monthly. So these keywords and what he has is the only thing that's got you beat, or what you need to focus on to get yourself ranked up here and more exposure. So once your content, your bank links, and your citations, once they all come together and you start to outrank your competition, or you start to get recognized for the search engine and the keyword content that's being typed in, and you get the exposure from those keywords that you're missing, you'll quickly see the value of your business and how its increased traffic came from that. And in just this natural process, you'll begin to rank yourself up through the scale here. With that being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. I hope you find this helpful, and how important it is to have a well-built website and the value that it can bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting some more information, we should talk. I can do some research, maybe see what exactly is realistic for your business. And with that, Jose, I appreciate you taking the time for me today, and I hope you have a good day.